and sustain you. May His light shine through your soul. His love will wrap around you and lead you home. From dawn to dusk, from day to night, through every step He is your guide. His word is sure, His heart is pure. For all who trust, He is their light. May His blessings cover you and reach through endless ages. Your children, and theirs through all the stages. May His presence walk before you and remain behind, beside you, all around you, deep within. He is with you. He is with you. In the breaking of the dawn, in the hush of quiet nights, He will carry you through